This is Biotronix 8 chamber air compression therapy DVT device, lymphedema pump for lymphatic drainage and all. You can see I have connected the tube with the leg sleeve. This is the 8 chamber leg sleeve. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 2 leg attachment, one waist attachment and one arm attachment. User manual, remote control to operate the same. The same is touch panel. You can see the same is touch panel, and these are the connecting tubes for the rest of the attachment. So I am now showing you the demo of the same. I have selected a timer as 24 minutes. Now I am increasing the pressure. You can see I have selected the maximum pressure. I am operating the same in the mode A. I can select B, C according to the need. I have selected the mode A. Now I am starting the machine. You can see the same is getting inflated. You can see the chamber has got inflated. Likewise, the same will get inflated. The next will get inflated, and so on for the mode A. You can see that it is totally filled with the air now. Now it's getting deflated. The second chamber will go.